Is your Mazda CX-9 or CX-90 key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery, and it's an easy fix you can do yourself. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool and a new CR25 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, or CR2032 for some newer CX-90 models. Check your fob's interior for the correct type. First, carefully insert the screwdriver into the seam of the fob to pry it open. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage. Some CX-90 fobs have a rubber gasket for water resistance, which must be reseated properly. Remove the old battery, noting the correct orientation with positive side up. Insert the new battery in the same way, and snap the case back together. Test the remote to ensure it's working. This DIY fix can save you $80 to $120 compared to dealership service. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, try these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure the battery contacts are clean to prevent corrosion. A Reddit user cleaned contacts to restore full function, including remote start. Try resetting the system by cycling the ignition. Also, signal interference from other devices might be the cause. If these steps don't work, internal faults or programming issues may require dealer reprogramming, as 30% of cases are programming related, according to Mazda service advisors. Working in a dry area to avoid shorts and dispose of old batteries responsibly per EPA guidelines is always important. Be careful with the fob circuit board. Consider a protective case, especially if you live in a rainy climate.